Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max software update issues. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining that they can't update their iPhone software because of some issues. So don't worry, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix those issues. First of all, you have to check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or having a strong cellular data connection. Slow or unstable internet connection can cause software update failures. After this, you have to free up storage space. Sometimes software update require a lot of storage space, and if your iPhone doesn't have enough space available, it may fail to update. Try freeing up some storage space by deleting unwanted or unused app, photos, or videos. After doing this and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check your iPhone battery level. So guys, if your iPhone battery level is low, it may not have enough power to complete the software update. Make sure your iPhone is at least 50% charge before attempting to software update. After checking this all you're still facing the same issue, then you have to restart your iPhone. Try restarting your iPhone and attempting the software update again. This can sometimes fix minor software issues that may be preventing the update from installing. Simply tap on your settings, then go back and then go to your general, scroll down, tap on shut down your iPhone, and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later and try to update your iPhone again. After if restarting your iPhone doesn't work, then you have to update using iTunes. If the over-the-air update method fails, try updating your iPhone using iTunes on your computer instead. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes, and select your iPhone. Click Check for update and follow the on-screen instruction to install the update. After applying this all solution, you are still facing the same issue, then you have to try last solution, reset network settings. So if you tap on your settings, then tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode. This will reset your iPhone network settings to their default values, which may fix any network related issue preventing the software update from installing. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.